Good night. My name is Oscar Leonardo Rios Ospina. I am a student of Industrial Engineering at the National Open and Remote University and next I answer the question for step 3. C. What is the most known food you have eaten during a trip? Roast rabbit. D. What are the most visited place or tourist attraction in your city? The Hill of Montserrat, the Gold Museum, the Hill of Guadalupe. E. What place have you missed? Do you visit during your trip? The historical cathedrals of the city. F. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? Why did you do? Climb the hill of Montserrat by cable car. G. What was the most expensive place you visit in your city? A meat restaurant called the Piferia. Thank you very much.